This video is going to show you how to navigate your parent Canvas course on a computer. So once you're logged in, you'll go to your dashboard and click on that, and it'll bring up all the courses that you are observing. And so, for example, today we're going to click on biology. And for this course, the teacher has placed all of their modules right here on the home page. So all the assignments that you need are going to be right here on the home page, and you don't need to go to any of these side columns. So for the week of April 27th to May 1st, there's one assignment. For April 20th to 24th, there are 3 things that the student is required to take a look at. And as you can go down and you can see, each week has different assignments. When you go to, let's look at April 20th to 24th, if you click on the link, it'll tell you all the instructions for that particular assignment and when it's due. This one was due on April 21st. We'll go back, and also on that main screen, this date underneath it is the due date. So you would click on each of the assignments that are due for that week. If you'd like to see any announcements that were sent out to your students by that teacher, you would click on announcements, and then you can see you would just click on each of those to find out what important information the teacher wanted to share. Another way to find the modules, if it's not on the home page, most of the teachers are using modules, and so you would click on modules if you don't see it right there when you first log in, and there are all those modules again. You probably won't need to look at quizzes or assignments because most of the things are listed in modules, and that would be the best way to navigate through the course. If you're wanting to check grades, you can click on the grades. And as you can see, it'll give you a total overall grade over here on the top right-hand corner, and then it also lists all of the grades. It'll tell you what the assignment was, when it was due, the status. So down here it says this one was turned in late, this one was turned in late, this one was missing. This one doesn't have anything by it, but it does have a score, so that means it was turned in on time. So this column right here tells you the score and how many points it was. If the teacher left any comments, you would click, there would be a little comment box there, and you would click on that, and that would give the students some more directions on what they would need to do to fix their assignment if they got a lower score or if they need to do anything. So if you scroll down, it just tells you all the assignments. If there's no score yet, it means it has not been graded or it isn't due yet. And then again down here it tells you that overall score of the class. If you'd like to see an overview of all of the course's assignments, you can come over to the left-hand side, and this little icon that looks like a calendar. It is a calendar, so you're going to click on that. And that will take you to a calendar that shows all of the assignments that are due each. Let's look at this day, the 9th. This one shows all the assignments in all the different classes that are due, and if they're marked off with a slash through it, like this one and these, then that means that the student did turn that in and completed it. There's this one that doesn't have a mark through that shows that it would still be an assignment that needs to be done, but in this case it looks like it was an optional assignment. And if you click on that assignment, it'll give you the directions for that particular assignment, so you can look at it and say, oh, this is the assignment that you need to do, and you can know what to tell them of how to complete that assignment. So that's a good way to see everything that is due on any particular day from all of the classes.